this one, and this one. Can you arrange the bouquet, please?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry,
I'll
ma'am.
definitely get selected this time. I am pretty sure. Yes.
Here only ready-made bouquets,
Huh?
man.
Oh, are you from India?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get the ready-made one.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, the photographer one. You mean Mr. Abhishek? A lot of people told me that he's an excellent photographer. Yeah. Of course. Yeah, I'm in the flower shop. Just wait a minute. How much?
$100?
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you hold this
Yeah.
for me? Okay. Thank you. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. Can you please help me out and call for a taxi, please?
Yeah. Actually, we won't get taxi over here.
Oh, shit.
Where do you have to go?
Do you have a car?
Yeah.
How much do you earn for a day working in this shop?
$250.
I can give you $500. I'll even fill the gas for the car. Can you please stay with me? Please, please. Please. Please, please, please. Please.
Okay.
Please. Thank you.
Hey, Manu. Hey, Manu.
Hey, what's up, man?
Give me
Hey,
your car keys.
for what, dude?
Yeah, just give me, man. Take it. Give me. Yeah, go. Go inside.
Yeah. I want to get selected for this photo shoot. My entire modeling career will change to a next level, man. More the photo shoots, more the money. I think I like the change. Okay, okay. Okay, bye. I'll call you later. Excuse me. Thank you so much for giving me this ride.
No problem.
And tell me, what do you do?
I am.
Oh, you work in that bouquet shop, right?
Yeah, right.
But how do you lead your life with that little income?
Yeah, I
Excuse me. I have a call. One second.
Okay.
Hello. I'm on the way to a photo shoot. I'll finish and give you a call. Okay? Okay. Bye. What were we talking about?
can. About my job. What do you do?
I'm a model. Have you heard of Vogue magazine? I'm here for the front cover photo shoot.
Okay.
The photographer is Mr. Abhishek. Oh my God! I forgot to call him. One second. I'll just make him a call. He's not picking up the call. I think he's very busy. Yeah, it's here. Take left. Left. This is my friend's house. The key's with me only. I'll just go change and then we'll go.
Okay.
Hey, Julie.
I've told you more than 100
Julie,
times.
wait.
Please don't follow me. Don't you understand?
Julie-
I don't love you. Please go.
But Julie, wait.
Please
you have to
go.
understand.
You come in.
We're so alike. We've got similar fashion senses.
Get lost,
Julie.
please.
Julie, come on, please, wait. Julie.
Who's that guy?
My very first photographer. Always behind me saying I love you, and keeps following me everywhere.
Oh.
I am not interested in that. We must keep moving on to the next stage in life. Only then we can achieve something. You sit here, I'll go change and come, huh? Excuse me. Can you please make a coffee? Thank you. Hello? Can you please come? Please don't get me wrong. Can you help me with this? Thank you.
Coffee?
You made it.
Yeah.
Coffee is very nice. Once I become a big model, I'll take you in as an assistant. I think we are late. I don't even know if he's inside.
You wait here. I'll check behind the house and come, okay?
Okay.
Hi, I'm Abhishek. The $500 that you owe me, can you give it?
Joseph! Joseph! Joseph, call everyone! Throw him out!
Yes? What can I do for you?
This photo.
This photo was taken by one Abhishek in 1998.
No! This photo was taken in 1999 in South Island. We are all, when playing in childhood, without our knowledge, Abhi took this photo. From childhood, he is so passionate with his photography skill. He is always spotted with his camera. Finally, he became a good photographer. This photo is really good, isn't
Yeah.
it? This is Tony, this is Christina, this is my brother Thomas.
Hmm?
Do you know this girl?
Mm-hmm.
It's me!
You Sharon.
Yeah,
How's Tony now?
he's fine. He owns a margin-free shop there,
Oh,
but his
thanks.
grandpa only maintains his shop. Whenever I'm free, I'll go help his grandpa.
You are still not committed. You're just free.
Hey,
No, I'm just asking, do you have no boyfriends? Or did they leave you?
if I get a boyfriend like you, I'll better go with none.
That's best. But even if you go there, everyone else will leave.
Hey, stop it.
By the way, tell me what kind of a guy you would like.
All I wanted is love and care. In case if I did something wrong, he has to forgive an understandable like person. Then non-alcoholic. If he did, he shouldn't be unconscious like you.
Hey, don't tease me.
In the end, he have to be like share his feelings, understandable person. He should be my best friend. That's all.
Hey, Freddy.
What, Abby?
Somebody's following us.
What? Where? Ah, shit. Abby, drive faster, drive fast.
Why?
Why?
It could be the police or one of the other gangs.
Police or gangs? What is he saying?
Go fast, Abby, now. Go quicker. Oh, God.
Why should we drive fast?
Why should we go this fast? Hey, why faster?
Look, man, Abby. The van is full of marijuana.
What? You have drugs inside this?
Come on, let's dry cooker.
Shit!
You are gonna get us killed, man.
Shit! Shit!
Hey, get down. Faster, faster, faster. Main road is down there.
What the hell, man?
I always knew this. You were getting too close to Gloria, and this is what happened. I told you back then itself, I don't want to go with her. But you didn't listen to me. First, you are responding to everyone, even strangers, you don't know them. You are saying everybody is nice. And then what happened? Someone stole our car, and now we don't know where to go, and we are here. Hey! Why are you sitting like this? We have to go really far. You eat and be here. I will go alone. Hey, Sharon, please help me. Sharon, over there. Boss, are you Indian? English, Tamil or Hindi? What's this? They don't even talk.
I don't know.
Boss, where are we going? Boss, stop the car. Boss, stop the car.
Can you please stop the car?
Boss, stop
Are
the
you
car.
listening?
Stop the car. I'm telling you to stop the car. Boss, can't you hear me? Hey, please. Hey, leave me. Hey, leave me, man. Hey, please stop the car.
Hi, Sharon. I'm Dr. Herifiano.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Unfortunately, your friend Abhi has bullet wound.
Huh?
So I won't take him to the theater.
Okay.
So at the moment, I don't know whether it's serious or not. But we'll keep our fingers crossed.
Hello? I don't know what's going on. Someone attacked Abhi. I hope he'll be fine. I hope so. No one will kill Abhi. I'm gonna definitely take him to the South Island. Even if my brother Thomas has done anything wrong, Abhi shouldn't killed my brother. In that exact place where he killed my brother, I'll kill Abhi. Hi, Johnny.
Sharon. Thomas.
Thomas? What, Tony? Thomas?
Thomas.
Is Thomas back? Tell me, Tony.
Thomas' body. Thomas' body is in our secret place.
What did you say? Thomas! Thomas!
Sharon. Sharon, come on.
Thomas!
Sharon,
Thomas!
control yourself.
Thomas!
Please, Sharon.
Thomas!
Sharon, please, listen to me. Please, Sharon, listen to me. Please, control yourself. Calm yourself.
Thomas!
Calm yourself. Control yourself. Please, Sharon, please. No. Dear, please. 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 For the past 5 years, we were expecting Thomas will come. But we never expected him to come like this, dear. Dear. The cops have kept his watch and ring with them. Can you take a look and confirm if it is his? Please.
It's Thomas! It's Thomas! Thomas! I know the person who murdered my Thomas. My Thomas body found in our secret place. That means, how did I forget about their fight and asked Abhi to search my brother Thomas? I have done a big mistake in that. Abhi told that he is going to search in our secret place. And then, after some time, with some blood on his forehead, wounded his leg and came to see me. My uncle is shifting to Australia, so he said he has to leave. He hasn't spoke not a single word about Thomas. So what's that mean? It's Abhi. It's only Abhi. It's Abhi who killed him. Damn. Abhi, get up. Abhi, get up. Come on, get up. We need to see Julie. Come on, get up. We have only 2 days. Come on.
Did you speak to the doctor?
I informed the doctor. There's no problem. He informed the police. Police will be here anytime. Definitely they will file this case. For enquiry, they'll take 2 to 3 days. If you want to see Julie, we have to leave now. You want to see Julie or to the police station? You decide this.
Sharon, I haven't seen you like this before. Why are you so angry?
I'm not angry. It's nothing. I have to take you to the South Island.
I don't understand.
You have to see Julie. Convince her. But you are injured. And we had escaped from police. I have been thinking that how I'm gonna take you there. That's why. There will be an alternate for everything. But in marriage, And death in our life? No chance.
Sit down. Sit. Anthony, you can do whatever you want. I won't ask about it. But I have told you to keep Thomas away from this always. But you are not listening to me.
Hey, why should I call him? He's the one who comes always.
You have brainwashed him for that. That's why he comes back to you. What's your problem with him?
It's been lots of years. Our ancestors came here. We are being here like refugees. Not even that. We are being like slaves. That's how they treat us. If we want to fight for our respect, then I will stand for it.
Hey, in the name of protesting, you are doing a lot of wrong things. We are not ready to support you in all that. That's why I'm saying, don't call Thomas after this. Do you understand?
Hey! Hey, pause on, man! Hey, here, man!
Come on, man.
Hey, pass him! Oh my god! Hey, pass here, man!
Come on. Pass, pick it, man.
Shoot, shoot.
Pass it here.
Pass here, pass here!
Pass the ball.
Pass it here!
Pass.
Hey, come on, man!
Come on.
Oh,
Hey, come on.
Yeah.
Hey, pass the ball.
Hey, come
Hey,
on.
come on, man.
Hey,
pass it,
Hey,
man!
Pass.
hey, come.
Come on!
Why do you poke nose in my personal matters?
Hey,
Why
Thomas.
did you ask Anthony
Hey,
to back off?
hey,
huh?
hey.
Why did you
Hey.
speak to him?
Come on, man. What's this? Hey, hey, Thomas.
If Sharon said something about me, why didn't you just listen and get
Hey,
lost?
Hey,
Thomas!
man.
What's happening, dude?
Hey,
He's
you
a
don't
friend.
get into this. Mind your business. You are just a friend. That's it. Don't try to enter in all my businesses, okay? I'll decide for myself. If you don't like me, get lost, okay? And don't enter into my personal matters, okay? This is the last warning.
Abhi, Thomas is missing. I don't know what to do.
2 days before that, I saw Thomas hiding the gun in a secret place. That's why I wanted to go there and check. Thomas, where are you going? Tell me.
Leave my way. Huh?
Hey, stop there. Hey, please don't go.
Hey, Abhi, you're trying to enter into my personal matters, huh?
We need you, man. Why don't you understand that?
Hey, get lost.
Hey, stop there, man. Hey, Thomas, where are you going?
I don't need to tell everything that's happening with me, okay?
Hey, stop there, man.
Hey.
Hey, Thomas. Hey, Thomas. I won't let you go. Hey,
Leave.
please. You are
Leave
going
me.
wrong.
Left.
Hey, don't believe them. They are using you.
Hey. Leave me alone.
Hey, yeah, you can go. Already 2 people are dead. You also go and kill them. Go.
Who is gonna shoot? Who will shoot, huh? This is just for my protection. Only when this is in my hands, others will fear me. They should have the fear.
Hey, don't pick that up. Hey, please listen to me. Don't pick it. Hey, they are only calling you. They will definitely ask you to kill somebody for them, and you won't have a choice but to kill them. Now you pick it up. If they don't tell like that, you can come and shoot me for that.
Thomas, where are you, man? Come soon. And you should chop them into pieces. Where are you right now? You should shoot them and kill. You're the right person for that. Come soon, buddy.
No. No. I won't be able to shoot.
I told you so. Didn't I tell you? They are using you, man.
Shit.
Stop.
Sorry, Abhi. I'm really sorry. Sorry, Abhi.
Where did you go leaving me? Sharon? Sharon? Sharon?
I have some important work. That's why I'm leaving you. Sorry. All the best.
Hey, which is private? My friend is trying to get success in plow. Private function, government function. I will thrash you like anything.
What's happening here?
Julie, tell everyone. Tell everyone that you are forced to get married to this. Just tell everybody.
Why are you creating a problem here?
Huh? I am creating problems?
Nobody ever compelled and fixed the marriage for me. I have accepted the marriage all by myself. Just don't keep pestering and following me in the name of love. Do you want me to just lead a normal life like everybody else? Huh? I am completely not interested in all those things. Like I said, we must keep moving to the next stage in life. Only then your life is going to be smooth. And that's what even I want. Look. That's my fiance. Hi. Hi,
She's
darling.
saying hi. What friend?
Hi,
He's
hi.
looking like a
Hi,
person who has
dude.
already committed
I'll
8
get you
marriages.
some. Come on,
She hugs
come
and
on.
kissing him. Ridiculous.
I want to know the truth.
What? You want me to marry you, click photos, and just roam in somebody else's car, huh? First, try to raise your standards before just flirting and running around girls. You know who is that? Vogue magazine's head. Multi-millionaire. Sophisticated life is what I have. And you want me to leave that and come with you? Firstly, you should know to select what's best for your life. Multi-millionaire or an ordinary photographer? Which is the best? Just stop disturbing and leave. Abhi? Abhi?
Christina, my childhood friend.
Hi.
In childhood, you both were in same class?
Yeah, that's right. This is Kumaran.
Stop it. Recently, I met this person. Now we are very close now. Hereafter, nobody can separate us. He is traveling only in my car. Come on, you continue.
Hey, that's all. You know, on the
Hey,
way,
hey, hey,
sir.
hey. What is on the way? What is on the way? On the way, I told him to stop the car in the tea shop. Is that important now? Come on, you continue your story.
It was Sharon who sent me since Julie might be in some trouble.
Sharon had been traveling with me 2-3 days. Then she said she has an important task and she left.
I knew it. Actually, Sharon really likes you so much.
Yeah, I know. She's my best friend.
Hey, I mean to say, it's more than friendship. In fact, to be really honest, she really loved you. She just never mentioned it to you. 5 years ago, when you came for the summer vacation, in fact, she was waiting with a lot of expectation to propose you. Sharon? Sharon! What is so urgent that you called me?
Abhi's coming tomorrow.
Huh?
This time I'm gonna decided to propose my love.
Really? Finally, you decided to tell him.
Yes.
Henceforth, you're gonna be only in your romantic world. Since you were not there and Thomas went missing at the same time, She was very sad and felt very depressed. When Thomas's corpse was found, certain situations raised a lot of doubts if you were the one who killed Thomas. It was not just Sharon, it was me, Tony, everybody had a doubt. It was during then Sharon traveled with you. It was later that we came to know you were mistaken. It was the guilt feeling that she suspected you, and the love that she had in you is the very reason that she couldn't face you henceforth. It was with a lot of disappointment and despair that she wrote the letter and left.
From the childhood, a girl has been with you and loved you so much. But you failed to understand her love. You wasted your time for the silly girl Julie.
Since she always really wished good for you, she spoke to Julie and tried convincing her, but that didn't happen. Since you might be really upset in Julie's case, so that is the main reason she sent me here. Even now, she really loves you so much.
Tell me, Tony, how do you know about that? How do you know? Tell me, Tony. Say it, Tony. Say it. How do you know? There's a connection between you and my Thomas death. Say it, Tony. Then who killed my brother Thomas? Just say it. Talk to me. You know. You'll definitely know about this. You know it and you're hiding this. Just tell me. Say it, Tony. Who killed my brother? Just tell me. Say it, Tony. You know it. Don't hide it from me. Say. Who killed my brother Thomas?
Ah! 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 Jasmine! Jasmine! I begged him. Forgive me. Please forgive me. I will never make a mistake like this. But he didn't accept. He threatened me that he will call police. Please! Jasmine! Jasmine! Jasmine!
Jasmine!
Jasmine!
Jasmine, what happened? Get up, Jasmine.
Sharon! Leave me! Leave me!
I don't see any other way. Sorry.